How to fix screen rotation not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and search here sensor test. And install this sensor test app. After install this sensor test app, then search here accelerometer test app. Now click on accelerometer test and install this app. After install these apps, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.